everyone, and welcome back to DH Auto Show. Today, we're talking about one of the most iconic luxury SUVs in the world, the all-new 2026 Cadillac Escalade. Known for its bold presence, unmatched comfort, and advanced technology, the Escalade returns for 2026 with even more refinement and innovation. What's new for 2026 for 2026? Cadillac has elevated the Escalade experience with updated styling, smarter technology, and improved performance options. While it still carries its unmistakable road-dominating character, the new Escalade focuses heavily on luxury, digital innovation, and a smoother driving experience. Exterior DSIG in the 2026 Cadillac Escalade looks more commanding than ever. It features a refreshed front fascia with signature vertical LED lighting, a bold grille design, and sculpted body lines. New wheel options and subtle rear updates enhance its premium appearance, making sure the Escalade stands out wherever it goes. Interior luxury and COMF4 octane side, the Escalade delivers a first-class experience. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, including premium leather, wood, and metal accents. Seating is spacious and supportive, with exceptional legroom for all rows. Cadillac has also focused on reducing cabin noise, creating a calm and luxurious atmosphere. Technology and INFOTA-INNT technology is one of the Escalade's biggest strengths. The 2026 model features a massive curved digital display setup that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system, advanced connectivity, wireless smartphone integration, and premium audio systems make every drive feel modern and entertaining. Performance and appeal under the hood. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade offers powerful engine options designed to deliver smooth yet commanding performance. Whether cruising on highways or towing heavy loads, the Escalade feels confident and controlled. Advanced suspension systems help provide a comfortable ride despite its large size. Safety and anti-suspension systems help provide a comfortable ride despite its large size. Safety and large size. Driver ASS size TNC Cadillac continues to prioritize safety in the 2026 Escalade. It comes equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. These systems work together to enhance driver confidence and passenger safety. Why the 2026 Escalade stands out. What truly sets the 2026 Cadillac Escalade apart is its combination of luxury, technology, and road presence. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement. From its high-end interior to its advanced digital features, the Escalade remains a leader in the full-size luxury SUV segment. The new 2026 Cadillac Escalade continues to define what a luxury SUV should be. If you're looking for space, power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology wrapped in an iconic design, this SUV deserves serious consideration. That wraps up today's review here on DH Auto Show. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.